Meteorologist Joe Hansel here to talk about a lot of cold, windy, and snowy things over the next couple of days in your national severe weather threats. I want to talk about the warmth first. Central and eastern thirds of the nation, very likely warmer than average to kick off the first days of March. That over the Great Lakes where there's not already a lot of ice coverage. We're going to see some significant lake effect snow, to say the least, over the next few days. Warm-wise, we got plenty of it in Miami, 85, near record heat in Los Angeles, San Francisco with highs in the 70s and 80s, strong winds offshore near the Los Angeles area. But the eastern third of the nation, this is where I'm going to have a lot of our focus in the forecast here today. Very strong trough low pressure teaming up with a surface front that is packing some very cold air. Showers and thunderstorms to the southeast. Heavy system and lake effect snow for the next few days to the northeast. Tampa Bay to Disney World, and from Raleigh to Washington, D.C. Watching for risks of damaging winds. Some storms try to line up late this afternoon through tonight, and still some ongoing river flooding. It'll be the long-term seasonal flooding that'll be a concern, but some short-term dry air is working in for many locations. But where that severe weather is possible, half-inch to an inch locally is certainly possible for the likes of Orlando to near Tampa Bay. Winter concerns continue along the southern Great Lakes towards New England. We got ourselves a lot of heavy snow in the forecast. Basically from about St. Louis northeast to the Canadian border. Toronto, Montreal expecting some heavy snow as well. Chicago wrapping up there 2 to 5. Indianapolis, Cleveland, Detroit, a few inches or so is certainly possible, still with winter weather advisories there. But bullseyes in the Great Lakes where there's no ice coverage. East of Lake Erie, 1 to 2 feet. 2 to 3 feet or more east of Lake Ontario today through Saturday, and probably 8 inches to around a foot in areas of Maine, including Caribou, prompting winter storm warnings there. So the entire system, aided by this trough and cold air, will continue to work eastward, watching for storms to the south and snow overnight and continuing tomorrow.